TikTok was that platform that everybody wanted to capitalize on because of their incentive, bonuses, their creators package, money. Okay? We had a lot of UCG creators, content creators, and name it. But all this investment over the years, only to know that TikTok isn't paying out anymore. I mean, this is so stressful to a lot of creators. You know what? Let's watch this.
TikTok is not paying creators how they used to. And I'm dead not surprised. We already knew once China sold out, we was not going to get paid because America hates seeing us live easy. We were making livable wages off of TikTok alone. And I'm honestly happy that I found my niche and other things besides TikTok to make money through TikTok. Because if I was just relying on my views and regular videos to make me money, I was not going to make any money through here. And the only reason why I still post on this app is because I still get brand deals and I still get wig deals and wig promos to post on this app. I went from making $5,000, $6,000 a month on this app to making $800, $900. Posting the same videos, same content, same everything. And I don't post as much because TikTok has been limiting a lot of things that you can say. I had so many videos taken down for just stupid shit. So truth be told, now I just be posting on TikTok for fun. I post everything on Instagram. I still make my money through TikTok commissions on TikTok Shop. But my goal for my TikToks from last year was to get paid to travel and to promote Airbnbs and just do promo videos for where I stay and for hotels and stuff like that. Like, I wanted to get paid to travel. And I wanted to get paid through hosting events, and I did both of that last year. I got paid from Lyft and DoorDash to host my very first barbecue. Nice. And I was flown out to DR, and I was able to take 12 supporters with me. Now it's January 1st month of 2026, and I'm being flown out to Tulum literally on Wednesday just to do a promo for an Airbnb, flight and stay covered. So nice. I do not advise you to stop posting on here because you never know who's watching. But if you're expecting to get paid from them views, trust me, it's not like that anymore. Coming from someone who has 800K on this page and 32K on another page.
Not paying on this app anymore because people beg too damn much on her. Sorry to get straight to the point. Sorry to be so harsh. You had to hear where it's coming from because a lot of content creators like myself is hurting from this. The RPMs are going straight down because they notice people are putting a camera right in front of them and saying, can you stick around for 1 minute and 1 second long for my video and so I can make some money to help my family get out of this, that, and the third, whatever going up in your life. You begging for it and you not trying to be creative to make people watch your content. Now they notice that they're not going to keep paying you thousands of dollars for that, and people actually making real content, doing what they got to do and not making that money because you out here playing on somebody's heartstrings. It is a more creative way to get your bills paid off this app and get you out the struggle. You don't have to beg for it. You just have to tell your genuine, real story. People might feel where you're coming from, understand where you're coming from, and genuinely want to stick around and help you for your video and give you something. But nah, you get straight to the point. Can you give me some? Can you do this? And they notice that shit and they say, hell no. We can't keep supporting that. We're not going to keep paying you for that. They pay people to make sounds, duet, music, all type of entertaining things where people can get up and stitch your video and duet your video and be more creative with your sound. You think somebody going to support you begging on her and you get millions of views on that and they can't do nothing with it? All they got to do is just give you the money. So they had to say, hell no, I ain't finna keep supporting that and giving that up. And a lot of content creators like myself are getting hurt from that because y'all are doing that.
Everybody keep making videos talking about TikTok not paying. Yeah, TikTok done paying, bro. They done paying people. And I think it's many different factors. Like, one, a lot of people's content is getting stolen. Like, even I have come across my own videos being stolen by some account talking about, like, the username will be XYZ2032 and they'll have my face and my voice over like an overlay of whatever it's talking about. Like took my whole face, bro, and made it. I was like, what? Like, it's like people stealing content. Then you got all these AI creators that's coming out of nowhere. So the algorithm is all kind of messed up right now. And I came across another creator saying the same thing that I thought. You know, he said it first, though. I give him credit. I forgot his username, but he gets the credit for actually saying what I thought. He said it first. Yeah, so it's a lot of things that's going on. And I think TikTok just don't want to pay creators no more. Even a lot of huge creators that got like 1 million followers and they're known to get, at least on every video that they do, 75,000 views. At least. And sometimes where, you know, they'll get like 1 million views on the video. Bruh, these creators are saying that, hey, I'm gonna have to leave TikTok because, you know, my monthly payout went from $5,000 a month to $400. Bruh.
That's a big gap.
And they're making the views. I could understand why they want to leave, fam. So this app is pretty much done. Like if you were using this as a way to make, a little money on the side, bro, it's done. You might want to try a different platform. And my thing is, why would you as a let me not judge. Let me not do that. I'll just say this, as a content creator, don't throw your eggs all in one basket. Mm-hmm. You should be trying to, if you are a content creator and that's what you love doing, you should be trying to get on any different platform that you can. Like TikTok, not
Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So a lot of the same content goes up on there. So I thought they maybe would pick that up. And so as you can see, I kind of appealed myself. I described it, talked about what was going on. And then I get hit with this, and it said that my appeal was not approved. And so then and there, they took away all my earnings for January, which was that $2,100. I had some current videos that were doing like 300,000 to 400,000 views. And so that was going to obviously be $300, $400, $500 a video. And they were just stopping all my earnings for January, taking all that away. And I'm not allowed to make money anymore on the content creator program until February 27th, when I can re-up my appeal and try and get put back into the rewards program. I was like, okay, let me just talk to their helpline, create a ticket is what they call it. So they responded back to me. They didn't contact me after they said if more info is needed. So then I created another message, added photos of me filming at the games that I shot in January, things like that. And then they just said that they would appeal it for me. So then from there, it's kind of hard to see, but I said like, thank you, all that kind of stuff. Down here, they got back to me and they said, I have great news. Our appeal was successful and your account has been restored in the Creator Rewards program. That was on the 28th. It is now currently February 2nd. I've not been reinstated and all of my money is still taken away from me. So the reason I'm making this video is because obviously I'm very frustrated. This is like part of my job. Obviously, right. I do this monthly. I post all kinds of 1-minute videos. I am losing a lot of money on this. So I'm curious if this has happened to anybody else. I had no issues until TikTok was sold to Oracle and whatever else was going on. So if anybody else has had issues with this, please let me know and help me out, because I'm very frustrated and the help center is literally horrible. No help at all from their side.
We just learned some really interesting news about TikTok.
We got kicked off the creator fund.
Yeah, it said that we were using like split screen and reused content and things we absolutely weren't doing. Every video we make. And we were posting a ton of content on here, and we just found out, because they didn't alert us, that we were kicked off. So we didn't make any money on TikTok for the last 2 months, which is kind of a big deal because this is our full-time job. And it's really gross because this also happened to Bensei recently. It seems like TikTok's just either purging people deliberately after the transfer so that they don't have to pay people, or my guess, maybe trying to kick us off and get us with a worse deal that pays less as the transfer happens. I don't know.
I was supposed to make $3,600 from TikTok this month. I brought the app 5 million views. I'm going to put like a little picture, like maybe right here. They are paying me $57.60-something. And when I asked them why, they gave me this long explanation. Long story short, saying that all of my views, I have 3 videos last month that hit 1 million, and multiple with like 6-digit numbers. $57 and some change. Kid you not. I cannot believe this. And I'm kind of sad because I say it all the time. My rewards that I get from this app, they go straight to my nonprofit. Everything's go straight to my nonprofit. And for me to have to lose that, and now I have to tug on, and I have an event coming up, by the way. Mind you, I have an event coming up. Now I have to go in my bill money. Otherwise, it's going to fuck up this event for me. Because I also have obligations that cost a lot of money. Money that I was expecting to get from TikTok, because it said I was going to make north of $3,500. They took $1,000 off and then took the rest of it off and gave me $50-something.
So as you can tell, a lot of people vested a lot of time on TikTok. You know, whether they use it for making money or for their personal brand, you know, they spend a lot of times. And we know that creating content is not one of the easiest things. People think it's easy. It's not. It takes strategy. It takes using certain tactics. It post it at a certain time. You know, go out there, try to make your background or your environment look a certain way so that you can, you know, come out here and tell a compelling story or whatever that is. You know what I'm trying to say. A lot of people put time in this only to know that TikTok isn't working out to the expectation anymore, knowing that they aren't making any more money. I mean, it's a sad situation. I mean, all this investment over the years for nothing.
Cent. Y'all dropped my RPM to 20 cents on the last day of the month when I have a video that went viral.
Yeah, baby.
So I think from now on, I'm just going to be getting on live trying to make my money from TikTok because TikTok got me so fucked up. So last month, they dropped my RPM down to like 80 something cent, right? So all month long, I've been having my RPM at like 85 cent, 86 cent, right? This month, I done brought them over 857,000 views in 1 month off of my page. They said only 347 of those views count as eligible views or whatever, right? So the month for next month, I'm only getting paid $326. And I say only because that's one of my lowest checks I've done on TikTok, because my RPM used to be $1.65 when I first started, when I got into the Creator Rewards program. Do y'all know yesterday, the last day of the...
A lot of people don't talk about these things, but do you know how many creators went broke over this TikTok situation? Why? Because they're trying to make their background look a certain way. Some doing travel vlogs or monetizing their vlogs experience. And this costs a lot of money. Some creators don't speak up on it, but a lot of other, they talk about it. You know, the investment over the years that they have to spend, only to know that they're not being compensated anymore. I mean, this can drive anybody up the wall. This is a big discouragement for creators. You know, thank God for me, I've been syndicating my content on different platforms. For some reason, TikTok wasn't doing it for me. I don't know. I tried, but it wasn't working out for me. Am I up there still? Yeah, I still post my content. But thank God I've been capitalizing on YouTube for years, and now I'm on Facebook. A lot of people don't go on Facebook because they feel like, oh, Facebook is like for older viewers or demographic. But let me tell you, Facebook is working for me. They're throwing out bonuses, and which is why I don't believe in just posting on one platform. Now, TikTok might be for you, you know, while Facebook and YouTube is for me. What I say, use your content and syndicate them through all different platforms, so then you're not stuck. If one doesn't work, then the other one works, and that's what I have been doing. This is called leveraging. Don't just stuck on one platform, because look at this. It's a mess. And a lot of people are hurt. A lot of creators are hurt right now because they invested so much money over the years to get a certain aesthetic look, you know, doing certain things, and only to know they're not being compensated for it. This is discouraging. Let's watch this.
Month, I did 300K views, almost 300K views on one of my videos. And they dropped my RPM to 20 cents. They dropped it all the way down to 20 cents. Because they didn't want to fucking pay me for yesterday's video.
Absolutely terrible.
Going viral. So y'all don't want to pay y'all creators, so I won't be giving y'all all of my undivided attention. I'll just get on fucking live and beg like the rest of them. Fuck creating content for y'all. I get it now. I get it why they rather stay on live than to get on here and create videos for y'all, because y'all are stealing from people.
Let this be a learning lesson for you today. If you're a creator, don't just stay on one platform. Learn to spread your wings. You can use one videos syndicated on different platforms. So just in case, because you never know. And also, whatever it is that you created, save it also. Back it up on a drive so you can have it, because you never know when things will shut down. And that's what I have been implementing. You know, I'm sorry that this isn't working for our creators, but you know what? I always like to close off my videos with a word of prayer so that we can all wake up and thrive daily, despite what is going on in this community or, you know, this world of content creation. Let us pray for everyone so we can get back up and try again no matter what. The takeaway from this video is don't give up. Try on other platforms and don't just settle for one. I want to hear your thoughts on this video, so let's talk about it.